Hi guys, so we're gonna do squishy dares. We're gonna do squishy dares.
Got a squishy on the phone.
We have squishies here.
Yeah, here. These are just all the squishy. We have
These
more.
are 30.
We have more, right, Amy?
Yeah, we have more.
But we
But
only decide to use some of these.
those because we like those less.
Yeah.
And the other ones are very valuable and expensive.
Yeah.
There's one of those that
This one, it's not really squishy.
that one's kind of hard.
I know. And the bread, that's really not squishy.
That's not bread.
Whatever it is. And this one, it smells like, I don't know.
Okay, so we're gonna read the squishy dares.
Let's say first squishy. Wait, where are they?
There. Okay. There. Okay.
Ooh. First. Wait. Ooh, which one was Chinese? They made a Chinese. Here they are. So first squishy. There.
First squishy dare. Okay, so I'm gonna do it. Put the squishies out for 1 hour. Okay, let's see.
Squishy.
In the sun. So let's see what.
No,
So
what's-
we're gonna shoot a squishy now.
Let's choose this one. The dog's gonna fight it, so pick the one that really doesn't. Really.
So I'm gonna get.
No, this one. No. Eat me now, says it there. Eat me now. Let's shoot this one. The
Okay,
clown?
let's go.
The clown. We're
Let's
gonna
go.
be out there. Come on, let's go. Wait, we need to put shoes on. Wait, where am I?
We're actually just gonna put it. These are her golden shoes. There.
We're gonna put it out, Amy. We're not gonna put it like the door thing is closed. That was the one that came in. It's gonna be
So we're just
I
gonna.
don't trust the dog, Amy.
Yeah.
I need to open it.
Yeah, we're gonna see this for 1 hour, guys, and I don't think it's gonna be fun. So we are gonna get right into that. So we're gonna put it somewhere that he doesn't get it. Okay, she's gonna put it in the window there.
Now we need to do the other squishy dares.
Now,
Oh no, we need to wait an hour.
now we're gonna wait an hour and then come back with you guys. Okay, bye. 1 hour has.
Someone got involved in the video. Let's open the door. Oh, it's closed too. Car. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
This looks kind of more burned.
Yeah, a little bit and a little bit not that much. Wait, can we do the squishy dares out here?
Okay, so let's go with the other squishies.
We think of doing the squishies out there, but she need to finish her homework. We're gonna wait until she finish her homework. We need to wait that long.
Okay, so if you want, you could do a squishies dares by yourself while I go do my homework. While.
Okay.
Oh, the camera fell. The camera fell.
Wait, let me ask my uncle. So I just asked my uncle and she said no. There's mosquitoes out there. Now we're gonna put a squishy. Wait. No, I'm gonna do the other one. Put a squish in the water. Okay. Let's see which one. Don't touch me. I'm not. Oh, this one. Hello Kitty. We're gonna be in the kitchen. 5, 4.
Okay, so we're gonna.
Sure, you got to enjoy this. It's not long.
We're gonna put it in that big cup. Sorry, cleaning my camera good. Good. Okay. So
Go water. Water.
water there.
Wait,
If you cannot see.
Wait, come. Wait, I can see the water. Look.
See?
So I have one. Ready?
Okay, so
There we go.
we're gonna do this.
Do you want to do the homework? And I got
Guys, I have to go to the bathroom.
no problem, but wait. Oh my god, it's like not more squishy. So hard. Oh my god, Mr. McGann, and telling the squishy, it's not that
And
squishy.
we're going outside. Outside now.
It's going to be on 5, 4.
2, 1. And boom.
Squishy outside. What did I threw there?
So where it doesn't fit through there.
Let's see. Next squishy. Hold on. Throw a squishy in the dirt. Let's shoot
This
this
one, the one that says "Eat Me." Did you show them the one? This one here.
Ready? Oh my gosh.
No!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, we actually did it!
No, I didn't want in the dirt.
Yeah, put it in the dirt. Woo! Go see it.
Oh my god. Oh, it's
It's so dirty.
It
Just,
doesn't matter.
just look at it.
Okay, dirty, but it's not that dirty.
Because it's white, of course it will get dirty. Oh my gosh.
This. Oh my gosh. This.
I would never draw this one.
Yeah, but why do we put it in this box? We are so confused. We need scissors. Next, wait, this is a dirt squishy. There.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So
What was the
next,
first? What was the first one? I don't
Um,
remember. I know already.
did you finally put the one in water?
Yes.
Okay. So then, yeah, this is the third one. Okay.
Okay. What was the first?
The
one?
first one was to I forgot.
We're just gonna do one extra. No squishy. Kick a squishy.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go. Each one we're gonna kick one. Okay. I want to get this one. No, I don't want a white one. It's gonna get dirty. They're almost
Wait.
all them white.
This says like a squishy. You don't know how to read or what?
The kicks is squishy. Oh, then it was the other one.
That was the one from our other video squishy
Oh yeah.
in my aunt's account. It's lick a squishy. Okay, pick one to lick. I'm gonna lick this one.
I'm gonna lick this one.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Uh-oh.
Okay, sorry for that interruption.
Yeah, sorry. It's just your mom came. We thought she was gonna get mad at us.
Okay, so let's lick it. Ready, set,
Oh my god.
go.
I lick. We're not gonna lick a squish. It smells good, but it tastes bad.
Duh. Tastes like Play-Doh.
Don't!
Tastes like Play-Doh. Yes, I have tried Play-Doh before. Tastes like.
For me, it tastes like poop. No.
Have you tried poo before?
No.
Okay, so next one,
Sure.
rip a squishy.
Rip or. That's kick a squishy. You don't know how to read or what? Dude, you don't know how to read a squishy. Let's see. Pick one. Pick. Stretch.
Oh, this ugly one. I hate this one.
Still gonna pick mine.
Poco el uno.
No.
Sí.
Go to Titi.
I'm also gonna poke a hole. Titi. Poco el uno de eso.
No. Eat them.
Shall I poke? Shall I poke? If we get it.
Ready?
Wait, I think the next one was poke, and I think I'm gonna
gonna
go
eat
around
this.
one. Or did it say to put
Okay,
on a
I
poke?
got this floaty. It's ready, set, go.
Hey guys, look at this. She ripped it. Oh my god.
Look.
I ripped it here.
I ripped it here. There, can you see it? Yeah, there.
I ripped it here. I ripped it here.
He didn't rip nothing.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, he did, big one. Dude, he did ripped it. Look.
Yeah, I know. He did rip it.
That one's so soft, like you can turn it into a little ant. Look at this.
Okay. I need some space.
Whoa. Next squishy.
There.
Yeah.
How could I see? Poke a hole. I knew it was poke a hole on the squishy. I'm gonna poke it on this one.
Again,
Here.
Amy, no. Why? Wait.
Oh, that was a bad one. You wanna see that? Because I ate this.
Don't.
I meant see that. You can't see that in there. I poke holes a lot here. And another one.
Give me the
like
stick. Wait, I'm looking for
somewhere here.
Where is it?
Here,
Where
I
is
poke
it?
I poke a deep hole
mouth.
here.
I'm gonna poke a hole on this
deep.
one. Dude. we're gonna
This
poke a
one's
hole.
very deep that I did right here.
Wait. But I think I broke it. There. Wait, where is it? I don't know if you can see it, but it's really little. Next squishy there.
Put a squishy on the trampoline and bounce it and see if it gets off the trampoline.
Oh, yeah, a little bit.
I don't think because we have a net, so let's
Yeah,
pick
probably.
one. Let's not pick a.
I'm gonna pick my favorite one. My favorite one. Another
No,
panda.
pick one that's like not white, like this one. This one's not white. I picked this one because it's already
I
dirty.
picked this one.
Could the police have less white than that?
Really, dude?
At least this one or.
Okay, this one, a puppy thingy. Oh, we need to take everything over there because we don't want no one stealing this. Oh, what the heck is that?
Ew, I don't know.
Put it. Leave it here. Leave it here, but I'm taking my phone.
Okay.
We're taking this.
Let's
you
go.
know?
Let's. Okay, we're gonna do it really fast because my mom doesn't let me go back here.
Dude!
Okay, are you ready?
No! Wait! Let's throw my squishy! I'm here. You gotta do some
ready?
flips. I know. Okay. Squish!
Ready, set, go. Oh, that was a bad one. Okay.
I'm stepping on it!
She actually stepped on it. Okay, let's go.
Lily, wait, let's do some jumping flips!
My mom's gonna catch us here. I'm gonna show my backhand spring in another video. And we're just gonna do 2 more squishy dares. And we're just gonna do 2 more squishy dares because we don't have much time for the video.
Yeah, sure. Adios! See you mañana!
See you in the other video.
Part 2.
And she's gonna do that one by herself while I do my homework. So bye.
Yeah, adios.
Bam.